to show you the rib cage which is formed by the ribs and the sternum and vertebral column. तो देखते हैं कि कैसे rib cage बनता है और कौन कौन से ribs हैं जिस पे पार्ट ले रही हैं. We will see the complete structure of this rib cage. So this rib cage it consists of 24 bones. 24 bones which are 12 in pair. 12 pairs के अंदर present है. सबसे पहले हम देख रहे हैं द सेंट्रल मेन बोन. दिस सेंट्रल बोन इज नॉन एज स्टर्नम. इस बोन को हम बोलते हैं स्टर्नम. दिस स्टर्नम इज मेड अप ऑफ 3 पार्ट्स. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट द 15 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग बोन. इट्स स्टर्नम इज मेड अप ऑफ 3 पार्ट्स. 3 पार्ट से मिलकर बनी है. सबसे ऊपर वाला पार्ट जिसे बोलते हैं मैनुब्रियम. द अपर पार्ट इज द मैनुब्रियम. Then this part is known as the body of the sternum and this lower part is known as xiphoid process. इसे हम बोलते हैं xiphoid process. So this central single bone is the sternum. Now these both of sides you can see these are the ribs. So 12 pair of ribs are present in the case of human being which are making the rib cage. So you can count these ribs. हम यहाँ पे count कर सकते हैं 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. These are the 7th. Then 8, 9 and 10. Then 11 and 12. This complete 12 pairs of the ribs are present at the both side of these sternum. Sternum के दोनों साइड आपको 12 ribs नजर आ रही हैं. Out of these 12 यहाँ पे है, 12 यहाँ पे हैं. Out of these 12 जो first 7 है, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th. These 7 ribs they are known as true ribs. इन्हें हम बोलते हैं true ribs. True ribs क्यों कहा है? Because they are joined with the sternum at the front side as well as they are joined with vertebral column at the back side. पीछे की तरफ ये 7 ribs जो होती है वो vertebral column से भी attached रहती हैं. So that's why these 7 ribs are known as true ribs. Whereas the rib number 8, 9 and 10. These 8, 9 and 10 ये जो ribs होती हैं these ribs are known as false ribs. इन्हें हमने false rib कहा है. क्यों कहा है? क्योंकि पीछे की तरफ जाके vertebral column से तो अटैच हो गई हैं, but here in the front part they are joined with the bone numbers rib number 7. ये 7th rib से attach हो रही है. They are not attached with the sternum. They are attached with the 7th rib. So these ribs are known as false ribs. Whereas the last two, that is rib number 11 and 12. You can see these two. This 11 and 12, these two ribs, they are known as floating ribs. They are known as floating ribs. They are floating ribs because they just making the connection ventrally with the vertebral. ये सिर्फ vertebral column के साथ एक connection बना रही हैं. They are not joined with any other rib and not they are joined with the sternum. So as in this way, these ribs are arranged to make a rib cage. 12 pair of the ribs and one central bone which is the sternum, and behind at the back side they are joined with the vertebral column. So you can see the structure of ribs.